Hey everybody, it's Leslie with Color with Diamonds. Today's video is geared more towards those who are newer to diamond painting and may have some questions on what to expect with your diamond painting kits and what tools are inside and how to use them. So hopefully this video will help you understand it a little bit more, but please feel free to drop any questions down below that you might have and I'd be happy to help you. So this is a kit that I received last week, and I was going to go ahead and explain everything in it to you a little bit. You should be getting a tool kit with each of your diamond paintings that you order, and some are a little bit different than others, but this one has a white tray. This is your sorting tray, and it has the nice funneled end that helps you to put back the excess diamonds back into the storage container that you're using for them. This also comes with a stylus diamond painting pen with a nice cushy grip here. And then it has your single tip end, and then it also comes with a 3-tip end. This is so you can place 3 diamonds of the same color at a time. If you're working on a large area of a same color, this is really helpful for that. I actually used it for myself for the first time on my last painting, and it really worked very well, and it really helped me go quickly through a large area of color. Now there is another attachment that you can add, which is a 9 diamond placing stylus end, but I've not used one of these yet, but let us know what you think of that. It also, some kits come with tweezers, some don't, but the tweezers are helpful if you happen to place a drill in the wrong section or the wrong color. It helps it to easily pick those up. And then last but not least, this kit came with 2 squares of wax. Just make sure to pull back the clear covering on your wax before you poke the stylus pen to pick up your wax. Okay, so that is the kit. And let's go ahead and get to the diamonds, which are also known as drills and which are also known as beads. So this particular kit came with lots of various colors, nice, beautiful, bright colors. And I like this one because it has the diamonds already sorted into little Ziploc baggies. Sometimes they come in bags that you tear open, but they're not resealable, so you'll have to move them either to a storage container or Ziploc baggies. But you can find them pretty cheap, like at Walmart or the dollar store. You can get like 100 for $1 or so. But these ones are nice because they're already in the bag and they already have the DMC code on there. So that's really helpful. And as you can see, they're round diamonds or drills or beads. And so this is a round full drill diamond painting, and full drill means that it covers the entire surface of the painting. Partial drill is only part of the canvas that you'll be applying the diamonds to. Okay, so those are my diamonds. Now this is the canvas, and it did kind of get crumpled up in the mailbox, has a nice big crease in the middle. I'm not too worried about that because there's several ways that you can flatten the canvas out before you get started, but I would highly recommend doing all your flattening of the canvas before you get started because it's very hard to do once you start placing your diamonds. So as you can see, this is a 40 color, it's a 50 by 50 centimeter painting, and then so the canvas key here, it tells you the color number. There's the color, so this is going to be more of a yellowish brown color. And there's the symbol that you'll find on your canvas. There's the DMC code. And that's how many diamonds you should have for that particular color. Okay? So as you can see, this is the painting. It's a beautiful, colorful mandala. And so the canvas is a little bit wrinkled and it has some creases in it. But like I said, I'm not too worried about that because there's several ways you can get those wrinkles out. And one of the quickest ways is by unrolling your canvas. And then the canvas itself is covered with this paper. And what you're going to do is find a corner and pull it back and then just press it back down again. And you're going to do that with each section. And I'm not too worried that there's some wrinkles in the canvas. They're not bubbles. The bubbles are a different story. If you have bubbles in your canvas, you may use a razor blade to gently cut those and try to get those down. You definitely don't want air in your adhesive. But these are just wrinkles, so they should flatten out once I move on to my next step. And so you get the idea. You're just pulling back the paper and then pressing it back down again. And as you can see, it's already flattening out nicely. Now, as far as the center section, you know, what I would also recommend is go ahead and a lot of people put their canvas under their mattress until they're ready to start working on it. Or you can place heavy books or some sort of heavy object on top of your canvas until you're ready to use it and get it nice and flat before you get started. So hopefully this helps you guys out, but please feel free to ask any questions that you may have. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking that red button below. And feel free to check out our website, colorwithdiamonds.com. And don't forget to join our awesome Facebook group, Color with Diamonds, where we have a lot of helpful tips and tricks, and you get to see other people's works in progress and play some fun games and raffles with us. Hope you all are having a wonderful day, and remember, enjoy the journey. Take care.